Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a typical mistake that a lot of people make, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. I see a lot of beautiful sketches, and they say, hey, look at my design, what do you think? And then they miss or they forget something very important that is fundamental for any car sketch. I mean, any car sketch to be considered professional. Let's put that way. So if I have a side, all right, let's make this side view. So look, I'm gonna make a really nice sketch. Okay, better wheels, a little bit bigger. All right, I have a very nice sketch. Don't you think so? Now I put two markers just to show a little bit of shading. Okay, quick sketch. Okay, now I will take another marker, a little bit darker, and let's make a reflection on the glass. Nice. Now I have a question for you. Where is the mistake? So we have a big mistake. A lot of people present sketches like this one. And the mistake is that everybody forgets to put the back wheel. Where is the back wheel here? I have the other wheel, the front wheel is there. But a lot of people forget to put that wheel, or maybe because they don't know how to calculate where that wheel should be. So if you are one of those that forgets or that doesn't know where to put the wheel there, I will show you a very simple method, very simple. As we say, this perspective is a side view that is turning on the same plate without any inclination, right? Okay, so look at the back wheel of my little Renault 4. Look, side view, is turning. Look at the front wheel, it's coming out. The back wheel, it's coming out a lot more. There, you see, a lot more. And when I am in this situation, look where it is. It's there. You see? Now, you have to check another thing. The space between this wheel and that wheel. Look at that white. It's very wide. You see? Here you can see better because there is no shadow. And look at the space between the front wheel, this one, and this one. They are almost touching. So that's another thing that is very important. Now look at my sketch. In the front, they make that little triangle, white triangle. In the back, I'm going to put it to show you how to do it, okay, correctly. I mean, in a way that you can estimate correctly. So, center of back wheel, center for the front wheel. I go there, I do this, it's there, okay, that's the distance, my wheelbase. Therefore, here is the other one, center of this wheel, look, the other one, it's going to be more or less here. And there we have our longer white space in the back. Now, I'm going to put it, okay, so you can see it. You see? It looks nice. Now, there is another mistake you guys do. I'll show you. When you make those type of perspective, you leave the gray of the back wheels light. It cannot be. Because the light is on this part of the car, not down there. There is really ultra shadow. We can't see anything. Therefore, I always tell you that you have to put your black there. Your black. And this will make also your car pop out because it's creating depth. Look. I'll show you. Very easy. It's not complicated. Okay, so look, this sketch now is correct in terms of positioning of the wheel. I mean, if you don't like the design, it's fine. But the way we did this three-quarter front perspective on the same plane without tilting the plane, so it's perfectly horizontal, okay, to the horizon. Therefore, vanishing points are the infinite on the right and on the left. That's why all the lines reference are parallel to the ground. Second thing is that when you have this side, this wheelbase, from the center, you shift there, and that way you can find the center of the wheels on the other side. Don't forget to put that wheel, because when I see sketches without that wheel, means that or you were drunk or you don't know how to draw it, which is worse. Fourth thing, very important, when you render, when you color, when you put a little bit of marker to say that this is only shadow, remember that this part is darker than this one. In fact, you see, I left a little bit of light gray there and a little bit of light gray there because that's the tire hit by the light that is coming from here. But the light that is coming from the front cannot go down there in the far back and put the light there unless you have some LEDs on underneath the car, and that would be stupid because it's ugly underneath the car. So we don't care, we just put black. All right, so be careful next time. I hope this video was very useful for you. Ciao.